So I watch Larry. Again. I'm not watching anything right now. Yep. Not watching anything right now, dude. Fucking hate it when Uncle Dave dirties my dishes. I really fucking hate it when Uncle Dave dirties all my dishes that I cleaned. A crazy working man's job is never done, YouTube. And it's stupid. Like, basically, I always say the crazy working man's job is never done until the sun comes up and starts all over again. Piss me off. I hate so much of this. Damn. Piss me off. Need to do this. It pisses me off that my jobs are never done. I'm learning. And guess who gets thanked for every fucking thing that he does? Nope. Not him. Actually, not me. Yep, not me. I never get thanked for everything I fucking do. And that fucking sucks. Nobody thanks me, nobody freaking does anything. Just sits there cries and whines about shit not being done. I'm the only motherfucker that does it. I'm the only cat sucker around here that does everything. And people call me a lazy bastard. I'm not lazy. My uncle's fucking lazy. shit brings his voice on. Fucking go take the lazy ass dump. Yep. Yep, every time. Yeah, you know, Larry, this is a fucking thankless job. And do I get thanked for it? No. Fucking hell. Yep, I always do this at the end of the night, at the end of the day. And nobody thanks me for everything, Larry. Oh, I thank everybody, but nobody thanks me. Like, suck it, bitch. Like, fuck you, man. Doing dishes is a thankless job. So I One, two, three, four. Five. I sometimes feel like that damn meme on YouTube where basically this one person's doing the dishes, doing laundry, cleaning the bathroom, and nobody sees it. Nobody actually sees it. And it feels like every time I get on my phone, to play something, I don't know. To like, or be on my tablet. I get yelled at. What do you think, bro? Should I yell at them to tell them to get up and do the freaking dishes themselves? Or start yelling and say things I should say? Umbrella wearing. Yep. Yep. And I feel like I've never been sick. Fuck. I found out my Aunt Eileen's coming this weekend. I would fart on him. Cause you'd fart on him, huh, crazy? Later. Speaking of farts, sorry about that. I farted. Didn't mean to do that. It came out of nowhere when I moved. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm serious. I'm sorry I farted on YouTube. It's stinky. It's stinky in the stain. Stinky in the stain. One is a genius, the other's in my sane. Narf! Point, Narf! There we go. Well, it's almost time for me to bed.